Big Bird sings.
Hey, you kids! Hey, Wesley! Yo, Emma! Oh, boy, I am in such luck today. And you're in luck, too, because Bird's gonna show us something really exciting. He's gonna show us his scrapbook. Yeah. Oh, Bird!
Snuffy!
Yeah.
Oh, pal. Oh, and look who's here. Hey, you come on in, too. Come on.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Made it, Bird.
Yeah.
All right, Birdie, where is it?
Right over there, Snuffy.
Oh, wow.
Take a look.
Look at that. It's a scrapbook. I always wondered, Bird.
Well, Snuffy, it says, My Scrapbook by Big Bird.
And you made that all by yourself?
Yes, Snuffy. I put in all my favorite things like pictures of places that I've been, things that I've made, souvenirs.
Oh, wow, the outside is beautiful, Bird. Can we look at the inside?
Snuffy, be my guest.
Oh, boy. This book is a little small for me, Bird. Do you think you could give me a hand?
Oh, you want a little help?
Yeah.
What are friends for? Here we are.
Oh, wow! I wasn't expecting this, Bird.
Snuffy, this is my 4 collection.
Oh, and there's a picture of you holding a microphone. I'll bet you're getting ready to talk about the number 4.
Actually, I'm about to do something else about the number 4.
What's that, Bird?
Sing!
Sing?
Yes, sing like this. I just adore 4, the number for me. You can't deplore 4, it's less than 5, more than 3. You can have 4 doors or 4 dinosaurs, 4 janitors, or even 4 grocery stores. I just adore 4, the number sublime. I love to draw 4, it's just an angle and a line. I can't get sore 4, it's plain you see. I just adore 4, the number for me. Ah, yes, I used to fret a lot and fidget until I met that dazzling digit. And now you see a brand new me 4. I found a number I can be for and count 1, 2, 3, 4.
I just adore 4, the number for me. You can't deplore 4, it's less than 5, more than 3.
You can have 4 floors or 4 army corps,
4 dresser drawers,
or even 4 crashing doors. I just adore 4, the number sublime. I love to draw 4, it's just an angle and a line. I can't get sore 4, it's plain you see. I just adore 4, the number 1 for me.
Oh, Bird, you are so brilliant. I can't wait to see what's in the rest of this scrapbook.
Okay. Snuffy,
This is when I went to Japan, far away from Sesame Street.
As far away as the other side of the park, Bird?
Oh, as far away as the other side of everything. The park, huge mountains, the big ocean. Why, it took a long, long time to get there.
And when you finally got to the other side of everything, what did you do there?
Sing.
Sing?
Huh. Yes, it's how I learned to count and say good morning in Japanese.
1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3
Itchy what?
1, 2, 3 Ohayo means good morning.
That's my favorite one.
But 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3 Please is dozo.
Yes, is hi.
Sayonara means goodbye. Arigato, thank you. Now we're nearly done. And 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3 Now we have an examination.
Oh no, an examination?
Ready?
Well, I'll give it a try.
1, 2, 3
Is itchy-san.
Perfectly correct on question number 1. Ohayo.
Good morning, that's my favorite one.
But 1, 2, 3 is itchy-san. Please.
Is dozo.
Yes.
Is hi.
Sayonara means goodbye. Arigato.
Thank you. Now we're nearly done. Backwards, Sunny. Itchy is 3, 2, 1.
You have been to so many exciting places, Bird.
Yeah, and when I look at my scrapbook, it brings everything back to me. Now, this was quite a day.
Oh, where are you there, Bird?
In school,
In school?
I was visiting, and I felt kind of shy because I didn't know anyone.
Ah, so you spent the day talking to a wastebasket. Very clever, Bird.
No. I was pretending the wastebasket was a kid so I could practice saying hello. Then I did something that made me feel much better.
What was that, Bird?
Sing.
Sing. I should have guessed.
Okay, you be a kid, and I'll try it on you. Hello, I'm Big Bird. What's your name? My name is Big Bird. What's your name? Is it Joe or Louise? If you know, tell me please. I would like to be your friend. We could play a game. What's your name? Maybe you're a Henry, Mary, Beth, or Faye, Lisa, John, or Dulcie, Emily, or Ray, Judy, Sarah, Norman, Angel, or Jose. Well, even if it's Murgatroyd, I like you anyway. Hello, I'm Big Bird. What's your name? My name is Big Bird. What's your name? I am tall, I can run, I play ball, I am fun, and I would like to be your friend. I hope you feel the same. What's your name? I'm gonna try it. Hi, kids. I'm Big Bird. What's your name?
Alice.
Hi, Alice.
Ricky.
Hi, Ricky.
Vivian.
Hi, Tony. Nico.
Vivian.
Hi, Vivian.
Peter.
Hi, Peter. Hi, Jana. Hi. Gosh, I'm a bird. Can you do this?
Play jacks with
I'd love to play jacks. Did you see that? It worked. It worked. Memories, memories. Ah, here I am in Puerto Rico.
Wow.
Look, China.
Well, you sure get around, Bert. Hold it a minute. I've been there.
Well, yes, it's our playground.
And I'll bet my last cabbage you're not there to slide down the slide.
No, I'm not. I'm there to sing.
I knew it.
Now, you're gonna love this, kids, because it's not just a song, it's a guessing game. And you get to guess what the song is about. You ready?
Oh boy, oh boy.
Who is a friend right to the end? Who has two wings and even sings? Who has a beak with which to speak? Who?
I know.
Wait.
I know, Big Bird.
My song's not through.
Oh, okay.
Who's always up for having fun? Who could eat birdseed by the ton? Who sleeps the best inside a nest? Ho, ho, ho. Wait!
Ask me.
My song's not through. Who's got the biggest feet you know? Who's got feathers from head to toe? Who's the fellow who's all yellow? Who? Well, haven't you guessed yet?
Big Bird, it's you.
You guessed it. It is me. And that's my very favorite song.
I wonder why.
Yeah. These are some of my friends.
Oh, it's Savion and Gina.
Yeah, and here I am with the squirrels. You'd never guess what I like to do when I get together with my friends.
Let me think. Oh, let's see. Oh, say sing.
Rhyme out, rhyme out. We're gonna have a rhyme out, rhyme out. You see, it's this new kind of game where you look for a word that sounds just the same as the word you try to rhyme out, rhyme out.
And we're gonna rhyme store, door,
Store, floor.
store, snore.
Store, core.
Oh, gee, I can't think of anything, Savion.
I rhymed you out, that's what it's all about. You win every time you get the last rhyme to rhyme out, rhyme out.
Hey, Gina.
Huh?
You want to have a rhyme out?
A what?
A rhyme out, rhyme out. Oh yes, I said a rhyme out, rhyme out.
You see, it's this new kind of game where you look for a word that sounds just the same as the word you try to rhyme out, and we're gonna rhyme wing, string,
Wing, ring,
wing, swing,
wing, sing.
wing.
Come on. Ah!
She rhymed you out, that's what this game's about. You win
Every time you get the last rhyme to rhyme out, rhyme out.
You know something? I really like this game.
Well, this time, let's all three of us have the rhyme out.
All right, cool.
Okay, let's rhyme chair,
Chair, pear.
Chair, bear.
chair, stare,
Chair, eclair.
Chair, hair.
chair,
Chair.
or
Come
chair,
on, chair. Chair.
chair.
I rhymed you out, that's what the game's about.
You beat us this time, cause you got the last rhyme to rhyme out, rhyme out. Now we're gonna rhyme shoe, cause our game is through. Rhyme out.
Oh, I get it. Shoe rhymes with through. Boy, this was fun.
Now we're gonna sing sing a song for you about a bird we all know who doesn't fly. Right, girls? Big bird doesn't fly, no, no. Big bird doesn't fly, no, no. Big bird doesn't fly, no, no. Big bird doesn't fly.
I don't fly.
Big bird doesn't fly.
I don't fly. I just walk on by.
Big bird doesn't fly. No, no, big bird doesn't fly. Oh, he can hop and he can skip right to the fix-it shop. He loves to roller skate, but my oh my,
I just don't fly.
big bird doesn't fly. No, no, big bird doesn't fly. He can waddle with the best, and he can leapfrog right to his nest. He walks backwards, easy as pie. My oh my,
I just don't fly.
big bird doesn't fly. No, no, big bird doesn't fly. He knows how to chase. Oh yeah, he coming first in a three-legged race. He'll even jitterbug, but I don't know why he just don't fly. I don't know why. Big bird don't fly. I don't know why. He don't fly. Big bird doesn't fly. Big bird doesn't fly. Oh, you're in great voice today, girls. So, Big Bird, tell us, why don't you fly?
Yeah, why?
I just haven't learned yet. But, you know, I've heard that some squirrels can fly.
Oh, really? Well, let's try it, girls.
All right.
A one.
A two. A
Three.
Must be some other kind of squirrels. Are you okay, girls? Ah, this is me visiting the crows.
Crows? I don't see any crows, Bird. Just people.
The people are the crows, Snuffy. They're crow Indians.
Oh. It looks like you're getting ready to ride a horse there.
But why ride a horse when you can sing to it? Be kind to the river, be good to the trees. Smile at the sunshine and bow to the breeze. Say thanks for the perfume of every flower you've sniffed. What a world, what a place, what a gift. Respect the deer and buffalo, the lion and tiger too. Be kind to dogs and pussycats, and they'll be kind to you. Take care of the forest and fish in the sea. Look after the beetle, the ant, and the bee. Say thanks for the raindrops and all the clouds that drift. They're for you, they're for me, they're a gift. For everyone, they're a gift. Even when it's just me and my roller skates, or me and an amazing string of letters, I do it because it feels so good.
Do what, Bird?
Sing!
Sing!
Abkadefki, Jekyllmanopquersturix is the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Abkadefki, Jekyllmanopquersturix I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see, but somewhere in the middle it gets awful queer to me. Abkadefki, Jekyllmanopquersturix if I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen. It might be kind of an elephant, or a funny kind of kazoo, or a strange exotic turtle that you never see in a zoo. It might be a kind of a doggy, or a particular shade of blue, or maybe a pretty flower. Nah, not with a name like that. Abkadefki, Jekyllmanopquersturix it's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Abkadefki, Jekyllmanopquersturix I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see, but somewhere in the middle, it gets awfully queer to me. Abkadefki, Jekyllmanopquersturix if I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen.
When he wants to go out and have a little fun, and he doesn't want to skip, and he doesn't want to run,
And he doesn't want to jump, and he doesn't want to stroll, and he doesn't want to rock, but he does want to roll.
He watches the world go whizzing by with a whoosh in his ears and the wind in his eyes.
Here's what he does when that's the case. He goes and gets his roller skates.
Go around and around and around and around. That's how it goes with wheels on my toes. Round and around and around and around. That's how it feels with wheels on my heels.
sometimes he likes to skate on the sidewalk,
Sometimes he likes to skate at a rink.
Sometimes he skates in the park.
sometimes he skates to the store for a snack and a drink.
He rests for a minute on a stoop and then
It's around and around and around again.
And he never wants to stop because it feels so neat
To zip down the street with wheels on his feet.
Go around and around and around and around. That's how it goes with wheels on my toes.
Round and around and around and around. That's how it feels with wheels on my heels.
Wheels on my feet.
Oh, wait a minute. I've seen that map before.
Well, I saved it so I'd always remember a great time I had with you, Snuffy.
Oh, it's all coming back to me now, Bird. We used that map to get to Hooper's.
And do you just happen to remember what we did on the way?
Sing!
Yes!
Sing! Whoa!
Wow!
Gee whiz!
When there's someplace you want to be, but you're not quite sure where you're going,
Oh, yeah.
it's so easy to look and see on a map,
This way.
on a map. If we're here, I'll bet that great big square is the school right across the street. And beside it on our map right there is the bike shop.
Wow, this is neat.
On the corner there's a bus stop sign. Here it is just like the picture said. If we turn and walk in a straight line, we'll find the fix-it shop straight ahead.
Yeah.
When there's someplace you want to go, but you're not quite sure how to get there. Here's a tip that's a break to know. Use a map.
Use a map.
This Hooper store. We did it! Well, now you've seen my scrapbook, Snuffy.
Oh, and it was wonderful, Bird.
Thanks. It was fun for me, too. I love remembering all the great times I've had. So, what should we do now, Snuffy?
Gee, I don't know. What do you want to do, Bird?
I know. I have an idea.
Me too.
I'll bet your idea
Is the same as your idea.
Hey, we can all do it. Let's sing. La 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 la
Bird.
la la
I
la
know
la
that
la
one.
la 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 la.
Yeah.
Sing,
Oh, that's it, Bird.
sing a song. Sing out loud.
Out loud.
Sing out strong.
Out strong. Sing of good things, not bad.
Not bad.
Sing of happy, not sad.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Oh, you're so good, Snuffy.
La 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 la.
La 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 la